Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you guys are enjoying the FAB collab so far. Like Sarah said in her video, we're all using the same colors inspired by beautiful Santa Fe. For my painting, I wanted to do a gradient background Dutch pour, and I also wanted to show something that was inspired by the Santa Fe landscape. I thought about the New Mexico landscape paintings by Georgia O'Keeffe, and I remembered that she made a painting entitled Red Hills Lake George, and I will insert a picture of that painting so you guys can see it. It has the gradient backgrounds that I love to do so much, and I like the way she has the mountains in the foreground that are made of that beautiful burnt orangey red color. So I used her painting as inspiration, but of course I wanted to make it fluid art. And this is what I came up with. You guys, I am so happy with how this turned out. So the teal and tan gradient circle in the center represents the sky. The reddish brown down here is the desert sand. And the blow colors are blown to compositionally resemble the mountains. So the colors that I used were Prussian blue, turquoise green, burnt sienna, white, and vermilion. And I did mix some of them together to make custom blends. For example, this bottom color right here is a mixture of burnt sienna, vermilion, and white. I also did something a little different this time. I actually did two separate gradients. So we have the teal gradient in the center, and then we have this reddish to tan gradient around the outside of the circle. And to do this outside gradient, I actually blocked off the circle with painter's tape, which you guys will see in the video. Before we get into the video, I wanted to remind you guys about the Fluid Art Throw Blanket special that I am running for FAB. It's just my way of saying thank you for the support and to do something a little special for those of you that are taking multiple classes. Since I'll be teaching 4 techniques at FAB, if you take 3 or more of my classes, you will automatically receive one of my Fluid Art Throw Blankets. I have 3 different blankets for you to choose from, and if you visit my Facebook page, you will see the different colors. Once you sign up for classes, I will contact you to find out your shipping address and which color you choose, and then your blanket will be shipped to you after FAB. This offer is only good until St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, so make sure you sign up soon. As usual, my formula and colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and now on to the video. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of a voiceover for this video. I'll probably add some music as well, but as usual I'm starting out by painting the gradient. Now these gradients, they can be pretty time consuming. Each one will take longer than the 15 minutes that I have here for a video. At FAB, I will walk you through the entire process so that you get experience doing it yourself. There's a lot of important points that go into making a beautiful gradient, such as the amount of paint needed, the tools needed, the layering of the paint, how to nicely blend different colors as well as different shades, just to name a few. And all of these key points you